Akwande, Lochani. My name is Thando Mahlangu, your IsiNdebele lecture. Welcome to the class. Okay, if you are ready, let's go. So that today when ilanga nalchingago, you'll be able to know at least one or two words zesiNdebele. Let's start again. Nanyana. It means even if. When I say nanyana, it means even if. Inaga, it's a country. Inaga, it means a country. Ngengabafazi, it means on the left hand side of the house. Ngengabafazi, on the left hand side of the house. Then ngengamadoda, on the right hand side of the house. Do you get that? Because as IsiNdebele nation, we do iminyanya, they call it celebrations in English. We do initiations. We have girls who go to initiation schools and the boys who go to initiation schools. So there's something that we built using uchani, we're using uchani. When you're about to get into a gate on your right hand side, that's where we build this hut where the amasokana nawabuya ko angena khona. Singisi naso. So and then when you say ngangabe, it means sorry. Ngangabe, it means sorry. When I say to you ngangabeza, say you are sorry. When I say to you ngangabeza, it means tell them that you are sorry. Yeah. And then when I say ngengabafazi, no, that's one I said it already. Ngengabafazi, on the left hand side of the woman, of the left hand side of the house. That's correct. Ineba, it's a wound. If you are wounded somewhere, in IsiNdebele, we are saying uneneba. When I say ngichazela, ukuchazela, it's defining something. It's a definition. Incazelo, it's a definition. When I say number, there's no huge difference there. It's a number. In English, it's a number. And then when I say namatisela, I mean stick it or paste it. Yes, namatisela. Then when I say inamandla, it's powerful. Inamandla, it's powerful. Nakekela, it means take care. When I say nginakekela, this is what I mean. Take care of me. Nice, eh? Sounds nice. Yes. I'm glad you're enjoying what I'm teaching you. So now, when I say namhlanjis, in English it means today. Nangiti ksasa, it means tomorrow. Nangiti iveke zago, it means next week. Iveke zago, next week. When I say nangabe, in English it's if. Nangabe, English, if. Yabon? Then, when I say Unamala. I mean you are lying. Unamala. You are lying. Nice, ne? Bagwethu, let's meet again on the next episode. My name is Thando Mahlangu. On TikTok at Thando Mahlangu. Twitter at Thando Mahlangu _. Thank you.